At last, destinations are opening their doors as time starts once again to move forward. At One Traveller, we've been deeply touched by the loyalty of our clients during these unprecedented days. We can't wait to get back, doing what we love, exploring the world with our guests. So let's make up for lost time and fulfill your travel dreams. Allow us to suggest a few ideas and give yourself something to look forward to. We've launched new UK breaks to Oxford, Warwickshire and to Liverpool, which includes a visit to the historic village of Port Sunlight. Looking further afield, Sicily has been home to many great Mediterranean civilizations, and of course, Inspector Montalbano. We'll visit the fabulous Valley of the Temples and enjoy wine tasting on the slopes of Mount Etna. Puglia, in Italy's deep south, is known for its picturesque Baroque architecture and simple, tasty cuisine, all served up at a gentler pace of life. Nestled between the Alps and the Adriatic, between Italy and Croatia, Slovenia is an unspoilt gem. The trip across the turquoise waters of Lake Bled is unforgettable. The flamboyant city of Seville is one of the highlights of our 8-day Costa de la Lutz tour, along with hands-on cookery, sherry tasting and flamenco dancing. River cruising takes you to the heart of a destination at a wonderfully laid-back pace. On our luxury soul charters, you'll enjoy the company of like-minded mature single travellers. Our Cairo and the Nile Cruise begins with 4 days exploring Cairo, followed by 7 days on board a luxury river cruiser, experiencing history and spectacle on a grand scale. For 2021, we've added a new cruise, sailing the Rhône through the vineyards of southern France on board the luxury Swiss Gloria. We'll be stopping at Avignon, Arles and Tournon, and there'll be plenty of opportunities to sample the local wines. If you fancy something rather more exotic, you'll be assured of a warm welcome in Sri Lanka, some wonderful beaches and an excellent cup of tea. And we're returning to Myanmar, a land of timeless landscapes and breathtaking sunsets. In the words of Rudyard Kipling, it will be quite unlike any land you know about. And finally, how would you like to spend Christmas in Switzerland? A real winter wonderland. We look forward to seeing you soon.